Flash Squad. Today, I am playing Build-A-Boat again, showing you how to make $3,000 or a lot of money pretty quickly. And the strategy is just do this. Like in last video, I'll put it up on the screen right now. You can go and watch it. But right here, so just build a like 4x4 of wood. Has to be wood. And then buy a hinge, $50. And then buy this ladder thing, I don't know what it's called. And then if you have these teleporting blocks right here, you can also buy them in shop there. Wait, can you buy them in shop? I don't see them. That's weird. Oh well. Well, you need one of those, and so you face your back against it. And then you put one inside of your head like this. And then you just launch your boat, use WASD and space to do the glitch. Space makes you like be able to fly kind of. So let's see. Woo! And then you can keep repeating this. You might die, but you'll be able to get to the get really far and get a lot of money pretty quickly. And me dead. So, but if you keep doing that for a little while, then you'll be able to make a lot of money, like I did. So, I think Flash Squad, that's my strategy on how to make money. I don't know if you guys have a different one, but yeah, we'll just keep doing this for a little bit. Woo! We fly, 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 fly. Oh god. Uh-oh. We went backwards. Oh my god. No, get up. Get up. Yeah. No. No. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Okay. Well, it looks like our boat won't cooperate. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I don't want to go in there. And I fell down again, and now I'm back. Okay. And then we'll just fly over this. The honey. Oh! No, no, don't die. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my leg. I'm probably dead here. Wait, I'm just, what the? That was weird. My legs were gone, but like nothing else was. I'm gonna do this a couple more times. So let's do this a couple more times. Here we go. Zoom. Uh-oh. There's a... What the? Oh well, I guess I'm just gonna die. No. And am I gonna oof? Oof me. Okay, I oofed. Let's try this again. Oh my god. Oh, yes, yes. No, 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 no. I don't know if I'm fighting each other. And we have it. Oh. Oh, no, 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 no. When? Okay. no idea what's happening in chat right now. Flash God, that's weird. Now let's collect our chests. Crush me! It's not crushing me. Oh, okay. Well, that's all for today, Flash Squad. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more glitches. I do glitches a lot. And now, yeah. And peace.